Here on Mill Falls, a Mack Rides water coaster here at Six Flags, Qadir City in Saudi Arabia. And once again, look at the backdrop. Now, with the opening hours of this park, obviously it opens at 4 o'clock, so it means that really a lot of the time you're here at night. It's quite interesting how we're riding this tonight. It might be a bit of a soaker, but we'll go for it. Wanted to take you along on here and, of course, experience this ride. Some good theming around. I am Rattler just over there. Danger. Beautiful views. We'll see how wet we're going to get. The seat looked quite wet just. So we'll see how we get on. Wow, look at all the cliffs lit up. That is some money and lighting right there. Here we go. Hey, we're ready. Oh. Woo. Oh, hey. Oh. Here we go. Woo. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Us coaster enthusiasts don't like getting wet at night. It's not just me on here, by the way, riding with some other coaster enthusiasts. So many people have travelled from around the world to be here, and it's great. But yeah, you may also recognise the layout from this. It's a clone of Poseidon from Europa Park. I didn't realise actually until we came over and had a look at it. I'd not really seen much about this ride, but yeah, it is. Obviously, it looks very different with the location and very different theming around. There's no Matterhorn Blitz off to the right-hand side. No Silver Star at the back there. We've got a big cliff instead. Big mountain. Oh. So this is part of the Steam Town area. Steampunk themed. That drop looks fantastic there with the backdrop. Just can't take enough photos and videos of this park. There we go, engaging on. We're on. Incredible. Wow, look at the view. I've said that a lot in these videos, but we're off. Here we go. Whee! Whee! Woo! Woo! Oh no! Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Hey! What's quite interesting is it's got like a little bit of a shield on the front here, a little bit of protection. That was good. I'm wet, but I'm not like soaked. It's just like are you wet? They sound wetter in the bag. I think we did well in the front. Yeah.
How is it in the bag?
Wet. Well, we needed the front for the POV, so yeah. There we go. That's Mill Falls. Beautiful station building as well. A water coaster in the dark, in the desert. Brilliant. And of course, thank you very much for joining us here on Theme Park Worldwide.
This experiment while you were out there, can you